Hi, this is the sound test of Akai stereo double cassette deck HX-26W from 1994. This particular model is assembled in China, though Akai is a Japanese company. For that sound test, I'm gonna play audio cassette from the Studio Sound Orchestra from the Netherlands. They launched this cassette in 1999. So it has a 20 sweet Latin Ritmo tropical music. You might have noticed the counter was not working when I used the tape in the playback 1, so it means the counter is attached to only playback 2. So we're going to use the playback 2 now to see it. And by the way, I'm using amplifier from Yamaha RX-395 to amplify this deck, and my speaker system is the JBL. you might have noticed there is no latency between playback 1 and 2, so the dubbing will be fine. But I think playback 1 head is much better condition than playback 2, because the sound on playback 1 is more sharp and crisp, especially the high frequencies, while I felt on the playback 2 it's little bit dull. So it might be little bit cleaning of the head, or might be the adjustment of the head after so many years, but you can feel the difference on playback 1. Here the sound is more towards high frequency, sharp and crisp. Listen it. So that was the sound test from the Akai stereo double cassette deck HX-26W. So this is a just a overview on the buttons and features. It's very simple. Power on off, and this is for the playback. So this side of the tape is only playing, reverse, forward, eject and pause, and this playback has a recording feature also. So here is a Dolby noise reduction on and off. This is the recording balance, this is the recording level input, and this is the counter. Press to the 0, and this is only attached to the playback 2 only. These two buttons for the dubbing, and this is for dubbing speed high or normal, and this is dubbing on or off. So pretty simple cassette player deck from Akai, the year 1994. Thank you for watching.